That's the final stage of the doing marble. It's finalizing the surface by applying the varnish. Have to apply the varnish because it has to be covered to protect the water and pour water, because the beer cannot keep. It should have to be tinned with solvent because the water-based varnish is not can't be used. Water-based varnish can't be used. It destroys the shrubs because it's done with beer.
So it has to be solvent.
Solvent-based.
And we also used tape to clean the corners.
Mitä enemmän kierroksia, se aidomman näköinen. Tää vielä laseeras tästä.
The imitation is far more better if there's feeling of deepness.
Mm-hmm.
The stone it looks like a deep, and it's the imitation gets better if there's several layers of varnish.
Okay. And that gives the feeling of depth.
Yes. Okay, now it's done.
Aika tumma. Se pitää hangata niin voimakkaasti. Pitää käyttää pigmenttiä paljon, että se hankaa sen sijaan ja se niinku hioo tuota pintaa.
Kyllä se siinä varmaan näkyy kun se teet.
Mutta niin, että helposti tulee niin tumma, kun sitä joutuu